The video you're about to watch is a preview from one of my fashion design courses available online at Fashion Premier Academy. So again, we're going to use our tools, hip curve, French curve, to create a new line, a smooth line, which will blend all these points here. And in this case, I'm going to use the inside part of the curve, of the hip curve, because it actually gives me a better curvature, a better smooth line. And then just gonna blend right here. And now it's just a matter of cutting out the pattern. So when I cut this out in fabric or muslin, it's just a matter of gathering all this fabric here to create gathers and shirring to fit back into the yoke. But what if I don't want gathers or shirring here? What if I want pleats instead? So to create pleats here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a piece of dotted paper, place it underneath this pattern right here. And I'm going to scotch tape my yoke line to this piece of dotted paper. So I'm going to fold my paper over like this, as if this was a pleat, for example, and I'll do the same thing for all these. Now what happens is that we have to reshape our yoke line, our neckline, our yoke line right here, because right now it's kind of crazy. Once again, I'm going to use my French curve or hip curve to reshape this line right here. And then with the pleats folded, I'm going to recut my new yoke line. So when I open this up, when we put a notch right here and here, telling me that this will be sewn to here like so. This will be sewn to this, like that. And this notch will be sewn to here, like so. And one last time, this one will be sewn to this one, like that. The seamstress will know how to put all this together to create pleats instead of shirring and gathers. And once this is sewn together like that, it'll fit nicely with our original yoke, and the notches will match right here, and everything will fall into place. Thank you for watching this video. Check out all the courses available at Fashion Premier Academy by clicking the link below. And be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so that you will be notified when I post new videos, which is every week. I'll see you in class.